Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Sai Chandan. Today I'm going to share about this job scheduler and automation system. So, which is conducted by Dotix Technologies company. It is a skill test for full stack developer role. Yeah, company given me the entire assignment details. Hope you can see here the scenario and what you need to build and entire details like API summary, everything, database, what we have to use, like and tech stack requirements and AI usage policy also allowed. So and it is also must be documented on README file and GitHub instruction, everything the basic evaluation criteria. So hope you can see. Yeah, company given me the job scheduler and automation system. So it is a purpose of like this process is to create and run and automate background jobs we have, right? That background jobs to send data external systems using Webhooks. So I have used Webhooks here. So hope you can see. Yeah, this is the unique URL I have used and I have updated on my project uh, env file and I'm changing that responses when the task is completed. So I will also share that my project entire on live deployment URL. So hope you can see here is my code of front end. So this is the root file and this is the layout and this is my backend file. Hope you can see. So these are the my codes. So hope you can see the structure of this project layout directory. And I have also documented my entire project in README file and I push it to my code to GitHub. Hope you can check. So here is my repo and also I will give in my YouTube description as well. Hope you can see. This is the entire documentation I have updated and also what AI tool I have used and what text I have used. Entire details I have mentioned here. Yeah, currently my local host is running at 3000, my front end, and I have deployed my backend on railway app. Hope you can see here, like it is a jobs API. So endpoint I have used here. Hope you can. This is my registered data on my backend, live backend. So I have used railway for backend and virtual for front end. Yeah. So let me share my entire project on live URL itself. So this is my basic landing page. Hope you can see this is the basic header and entire dashboard. Okay. Here you can see system status and what are the tasks are there and the process priority status and actions. So these tasks I have already implemented. So it is completed as status and the filters. And hope you can see this is the live logs. So completed task and filtered by activity, pending task and completed task and instances. So I have issued created this for just for demo. It is not getting from backend itself. So just to demo purpose. And this is a collapsible sidebar and openable. And it is also entire project is responsiveness. Hope you can see. Yeah, yeah. This is the responsiveness. Yeah. And also, I've added a theme model like light mode. Currently, it is light mode, and you can also turn it to dark mode. Hope you can see it is turned to dark mode. Yeah. And now I'm going to create a job by using the real-time data that how it works. So you can also use this template uh, for the data first for the sample purpose. So I'm not going to create it like currently I'm just using the real-time data only. So I have already have this data. Yeah, I'm creating a new data here. Hope you can see. Yeah, I'm creating here like a priority like this processing. Yeah, it is created as, and by default it is pending. So we can also run by clicking on this play button. So I will create a one more data, few more data to testing purpose so that you can understand what I implemented here. So yeah, so here while we are configuration is adding, this is the JSON data you have to add like backend computer will systems will understand only JSON data, right? So that's why I'm adding that like this. Yeah, so I'm adding a random data for demo purpose so that you can understand that. So it is added. Yeah, so you can see how am I adding. Yeah. Yeah. Here you can see I have added around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data. So this data is already existed and these are all pending. And hope you can see live logs. You can see the activity pending check queue, right? Hope you can see like this. So you can run from here also. You can also run from the grid. So when you run a task, so it will mark as a completer. So and that JSON data will be sent to Webhooks. Hope you can see this is the existed one that. So like this you can see the data raw content from the database. Like you can see this JSON data like after completion of your task that it will send the response like this and from the request details and headers like where it is came from. So now I'm going to run this sync customer data and hope you can see it is showing as a running. Yeah, after running it is show as completed. And if you go to Webhooks, hope you can see system data and yeah, sync customer data. So sync customer data I have recently run as a and it is also marked as completed. And on Webhooks you can see this like that. And the request also came and you can see like this. Yeah, and similarly like you can also run other running. It is backup database. It is marked as a completed, and if you see the status of it, so it is marked as completed here, completed it, and date also you can see that backup database, right? Yeah, after completing the task like you will get two webhooks as a mail kind of, right? And if you seek uh, on railway database, it will store on my uh, database like in jobs table. It will store the data. Hope you can see. Yeah, currently I have 6 rows in the jobs table. Hope you can see, and you can also manually check it like this. Hope you can see status, priority, created it and updated it like this. Everything details will be shown. And in case of this dashboard, you can also view the JSON data like with the task name and everything, the basic details and inside the JSON you can see, and you can also see the ID name as well. This is the fifth ID, and you can also close inspector. Hope you can see like that. Yeah, and also you can also filter by status, pending ones. Hope you can see pending ones you can see, and by priority wise, so you can see like this medium. Yeah, it is filtering, right? And you can also reset filter by clicking on it, and you can see this filtered by active and completed task. Yeah, that's all about my project, guys. This is the basic job scheduler system job scheduler. So yeah, and yeah, that's all. And also you can, I'm using this MySQL database, so it's example. Here you have to run this Apache and MySQL on our exam control panel. Then only it will connect the database of MySQL. And yeah, that's all about my project. And also you can find my GitHub repository, backend API and front-end API. Front-end application like live deploy URL you can find over here. An entire documentation I have pushed to my GitHub README file. You can find insert details, everything, and you can also connect with me this. Yeah, that's all about, and this is my repo. That's all about my project, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.